Hi everyone, Jay here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity Pages and how to create high converting lead magnets for affiliate marketing using Perplexity Pages. Whether you're an affiliate marketer or in any other niche, this step-by-step guide will help you create professional, engaging lead magnets that will grow your email list and boost your sales, whether it's affiliate marketing or anything else that you're trying to put out there and sell on the internet. And if you stick around, I'll also introduce you to my free affiliate email funnel generator, a tool that is designed to turn your new leads into customers quickly and effortlessly. Now, what are Perplexity Pages? As you can see on your screen here, I'm on Perplexity's site, and what you're going to do is you're going to create. I'm going to show you how to do this in a second here. Let me tell you what Perplexity Pages are if you're not familiar with them. Then I'm going to show you how to create a Perplexity page and how to add your calls to action in where you can get leads off your Perplexity Pages. So, Perplexity Pages are an amazing tool for creating organized, shareable content in minutes. They're perfect for building lead magnets because they allow you to present information in a clean, professional way without needing design skills or any expensive software that you may need that is out there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Perplexity Pages to create a lead magnet or an affiliate marketing offer that drives results. And for those of you, most people are going to know what a lead magnet is. For those of you that don't, that are watching this video tutorial, a lead magnet is a free resource you offer in exchange for an email address. Examples of a lead magnet can include ebooks, checklists, cheat sheets, or guides as an example. For affiliate marketers, lead magnets are an excellent way to provide value while promoting offers, but they're just as effective for entrepreneurs, creators, and anyone building an audience on the internet. All right, now we're going to go into my step-by-step guide how to create a lead magnet or affiliate offers using Perplexity Pages. And we're going to head on over to ChatGPT real quick, and then we're going to dive into this. This is the title for this video. Perplexity Pages, create high converting lead magnets for affiliate marketing. And I'm going to use my free, and this is a tool I want you to check out. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. I'll share that at the end of the video, or just go to the video description box. But I want to target the keyword free email funnel generator and send the leads to my landing page, then I got a link to my landing page. I need 10 great titles to pick the top 3, then the winner, which has free email funnel generator leading off all 10 titles. Once we pick a winner, I then need you to create an article based on content closely related to my landing page's content targeting these keywords. If you need to, please browse or crawl my landing page so you know exactly what it is I am promoting and how to promote it effectively. Do you understand? And it says understood, and it created these 10 titles, narrowed it down to the top 3, and it picked a winner. These are all right titles. I have a tool that you can pick up. Like I said, see the link directly below. They make these titles a lot better. But this is going to do for now. And we're going to go with this. So it chose free email funnel generator, instantly create high converting affiliate campaigns. Decent, but it can be a lot better. So we're going to use this, and we're going to copy and paste this article. Actually, we're going to do this. I put double the content because it was kind of short. So we're going to put all this content in. It doesn't really matter, but I like to give it Perplexity as much information as possible. And we're going to copy this content, and we're going to head on over to Perplexity. And we're going to say create an article from this content. Now we're going to paste it in here. And we're going to let it do its thing. And we're just going to wait here for it to get done. It's giving you an answer right here. Revolutionize your email marketing with a free funnel generator. It's going to switch stuff a little bit up. So you got to come in here and make a few edits. But we're going to turn this into a page now. And we're going to go over here. Convert to page. And it's going to be writing a page. You see those little dots I clicked on? It's going to convert your answer to a page. Now this is shareable. It gets indexed on Google. And it's going to be, all your pages are going to be inside the Perplexity system for all the content that is created from users using Perplexity. So you can get a lot of free traffic if you pick the right keywords and all that stuff is what I'm saying. I'm still fairly new to this. I've been using it for about a month now. But I'm learning some tricks here on how to get more traffic and how to lead users to my whatever it is I'm promoting. In this case, it's going to be it's a lead magnet to my landing page. So we're going to do here. Obviously, you're going to want to change this title. We're going to do a free email funnel generator. And we're going to put 10 times your affiliate sales. And then maybe we'll put the year 2025 in brackets. This is just something quick off the top of my head. You can make this better. Obviously, grab my free tool, and it creates excellent marketing titles for emails, blog posts, YouTube videos, all that stuff. And that's going to be in the link directly below in the video description box. But here we go here. We're going to add media. And you can add a nice picture up here. And then we're going to go through section by section. But the goal here is to get links to whatever it is you're promoting. It could be an affiliate offer. In this case, it is this tool right here. And it's my free email funnel generator. Copy, paste, and profit in any niche. You're going to get a 7-day funnel generator that creates campaigns for any niche and headlines and turn clicks into cash. This is a great tool to use if you're promoting anything for affiliate marketing or anything else that goes hand in hand with creating these Perplexity pages. Because you're obviously, when you get leads, you're going to want to market to them, and that's what this tool is going to do for you. So pick that up below. And we're going to go back here, and we're going to say insert a call to action. We'll use one of in Gary Halbert style. He's a legendary copywriter. As an example, Gary promoting, and then put your link in. And if you're promoting affiliate offer, do the same thing, but put your affiliate link in. We're going to go over here and make sure it's right. Little space there. And we're going to click enter. And we're going to let it work its magic. Now what it's going to do is going to create a call to action. And see the link right there? That's what you want, because you're going to want anybody reading your articles, traffic you're going to get from these Perplexity pages, to click on your affiliate link or your lead pages or whatever it may be. So you want that at top. And it gives you an option to rewrite the intro, emphasize sources. So it gives you all kinds of options to do this. And we're going to want to change this call to action to free email funnel generator here. Click here, whatever you want to put in there to draw attention to it. Now we're going to click add media. This puts pictures in all your sections. Awesome picture. So that draws huge attention to it. And then this link, it's clickable, and it's going to go directly to my landing page. So we got that. We're going to click add media here. We're going to click generate image. It gives you an option for a painting, photograph, diagram, illustration. We'll just do something, a photograph. See what it comes up with. Or you can upload your own image. and that's probably the best way to go. You can create an image off of Grok's my new favorite for images, but for content I like ChatGPT and Perplexity. This picture sucks, so we're going to obviously want to change it out, but this is just for demonstration purposes. We're going to use it for now. But I'd go create an image. Sometimes it pulls it right up, the image, for the header. Other times it don't. So it's like kind of hit and miss on that. But that's how you're going to do that. Upload your own or create it using Grok or ChatGPT or your favorite image creator, whatever you plan on using. So we're going to move down. And what we want to do is fill this out and get this as long as, I like to get them as long as possible because it gives more content to index, and it's better to read. It's more content, and then you're going to click Insert Section. It gives you all the sources. It's going to write out the content for you. The psychology behind high converting email campaigns, optimizing your email sequence for mobile users, crafting persuasive email headlines, leveraging scarcity in email funnels. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through all this and keep adding these that are closely related to whatever it is you're talking about, and put them in where you want them, and make sure you add a picture under every section. So that looks nice. We're going to keep that. Click Insert Section, add media, and all your sections that are already done, add media. When you want to add another call to action, because your goal here is to convert your articles into clicks and sales if you're doing affiliate marketing, or if you're, like this example here, I'm using a landing page to drive traffic to my squeeze page using Perplexity Pages. So wherever you want to put your next link, I like to do at least 3 in the article. I got one at the top. So it starts off very small. As soon as somebody scrolls down, they're going to say free email funnel generator here. What's this? See the cool picture? Links right there. Hopefully you get a sign up. And we're going to go down maybe right about here. We put another link. Insert call to action. Grab your free email funnel generator here with my link. And the link is, I can't remember, I copied this last time or not, but we'll do this real quick. Go on over and copy it and paste this in. And go back here, get that little space. Done. Let's see what it comes up with. Get your free funnel generator. There you go. Perfect. Add a picture. Now this got a nice picture it came up with. And you got your link right here with a call to action. And it's even got an emoji in it. So that's awesome. So we got 2 here. Put as many as you want. I like to do at least 3. And obviously for this, I would not post it with this picture. It's horrible. So I'd want to switch that out. But go through your articles you create. Fill out as much as you can. I like to go through all so they don't let me put any more of these in. Just because you got more content, I think you'll rank better. I'm not positive on that, but I like to be as thorough as possible to make the best possible article I can, so it has the best chance of ranking well on Perplexity Pages, if that makes sense. So that's just what I like to do. Add media. Finding media. Add another one. Go through there, and then near the end, you can put maybe a conclusion with your last call to action, and it's going to drive people that are reading your articles to click your links and send them over to your affiliate offer or your lead page or whatever it is that you're promoting online. And then what you're going to do when you're done with everything is click publish. Once you click publish, it's ready to go. And it gives you an option to copy your link, share it with Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. We're going to click copy link. And then you just paste it over. It's going to lead right back to your article. It's published. It's ready to share on Twitter. It's ready to be found inside Perplexity itself. And I'm pretty sure that they're indexed by Google now. So that's a huge thing as well. So you can get a lot of free traffic if you create some, great articles that get traction. So look for some popular topics, I guess, and keep publishing these, and you're bound to get a lot of free traffic eventually to whatever it is you're promoting, whether it be landing page, affiliate marketing offer, or whatever it is that your business is promoting. So with that being said, I'm going to end that video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. And I'm also going to end this video by going back over here. The link to the free email funnel generator. It's going to turn, what this is going to do, it's I'm giving this away for a limited time. You're going to unlock a custom 7-day funnel generator that creates campaigns for any niche and headlines that turn clicks into cash. And it's going to tell you all about it. You're also going to get access to my free tool where you can create emails like one by one individually. They're excellent storytelling affiliate marketing emails that are not salesy. They read well. They entertain. They're going to entertain your customer, your lead, whoever's on your list, and it's going to keep them reading and then direct them to whatever you want to do, whether promoting an affiliate offer or whatever it is you want them to take action on. But it's an awesome tool. So definitely pick this up. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Perplexity Pages and how to use them. And like I said, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Hit like on this video if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you out, and have a great day. Bye-bye.